Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Allure beauty box for February. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my February Allure box just arrived and I have not watched anybody's videos, seen any spoilers, so I have no clue what is even going to be in here, like no clue whatsoever. So let's go ahead and see. If you already got yours or you've seen others, then you may know, but now I'm going to find out. So when you open it up, first thing right on top is the magazine. They always have some gorgeous women right on the front, and yeah, this is for February. Then here's the box. When you open that up, that's what it looks like inside. Now, the magazine does kind of go over a little bit of the information, and it tells you what the price would be for the full size items. So if these items end up being full size, then we'll know. If they're not full size, then we don't know the value. But let's go ahead and just dive in and start seeing what we have. So the first thing that I noticed right on top is the Olay Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, fragrance free, 1 jar, and this is definitely a sample size, and I'm sure it's a tiny bottle inside. But here's the outside packaging. Actually, this looks like this might just be a free item because it's not inside the magazine, it's on the back of the magazine. And we get things like this like in the Target beauty boxes. So let's see what size it is. Yeah, yes, you have this big old box and you have this little tiny product. And I think I got this same exact one or one very similar in my last Target beauty box actually. So here is a little tiny sample of the Retinol 24, and that is what's, and it's halfway full inside. So there's this, and it's not like one of the items. This is just like sometimes they'll do that. They'll add in a little additive bonus and it's on the back page. So there's that. So let's go on with the goods that are inside the box. So there's this little tiny guy right here, and this is Belief. And I love how they're and I'm being facetious here. I love how they're making their packaging because you see how small this is, but look, you have this little tiny chamber on the inside. That's where the product is. So it's not even this whole little container here. It's half inside that. Like you couldn't at least just fill this thing up? No, we're gonna give you a little tiny little scoop of it. We can't get it any smaller. Now the full size product is going to be $58, and it would come in a bigger jar, and I guess a green one like that. But this says Miracle Revital Eye Cream. So this is a eye cream. So at least it's a little tiny bit that you can put maybe for a couple nights and see how it works. But that's funny. Okay, so the next thing in here, this box doesn't look very good. Just throwing that out there. I thought January and February were supposed to be good, but so this says Wander Beauty, and it says Wondrous Glow, and the full size would be $30. So this is definitely not a full size. Let's see what this is. This is After Hours Highlighter, and I haven't tried a Wander Beauty highlighter before. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like right there. I don't think this would be a full, no, because see the full size is actually in an actual compact style with a mirror. This is not. So let's at least swatch it to see what it looks like. And it does have at least a little magnetic closer. So let's see here. Where did it go? It's right here sideways. You can't even really see it on my, hand. Hold on, let me try this again. I just won't rub it in as much. Okay, so now you can see, I guess, a little bit. That's weird. And it just blends in. So there is the second item. So we have 2 sample products so far. Then we have is another sample product. And the full size of this would be $58, and it would be this big bottle right there. And this is a Bare Mineral Vital Power Infusion. Well, what is it? Let's see. Empower, promote skin vitality, replenish, infuse with moisture, renew, awaken the look of youth, fortify, enhance skin resilience. Vital Power Infusion. After cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So it's like a face serum, but it's by Bare Minerals, and we get this little sample size right here to try out. So there's the third item, all sample sizes. Then we have is a NYX professional makeup brush, and this one I'll probably just put in a giveaway because I don't use these bigger face brushes, but it looks like you would have had 3 different type of brushes, anywhere from $14 to $17 each, and it would have been a variation, I guess, of those 3. And so yeah, it would have been a powder brush, a contour brush, and a multi-purpose buffing brush. And this says 02, so it's not telling me what 02 would be considered, but here's a 02 NYX professional brush. So there's that. Then here's one other item in here. This says $21, and it's by Appeal. And I'm not going to open this because I know I probably won't use it, so I'm not even going to open it. But if you can kind of see the color in there, I'm just going to stick this in a future giveaway. I prefer now more of like a lip gloss or a liquid lip, like in the bottle, not the lipstick style. And I know, like I said, I know I won't use it, so I'd rather just go to somebody who quite possibly would. So this and that brush is like the full size product. And again, this should be $21. And then the last item in here is Super Beauteque, like TEA, mask rose. Okay, so this is going in a future giveaway as well, because if you know, your girl does not like artificial rose scent. So here is a face mask, and this says it's $3. So that is everything that came in this month's Allure beauty box, you guys. I'm not really thrilled, but for $15, I guess, what do you expect? So we have a $3 face mask. We have a $21 lip product. We have a brush that's valued anywhere from $14 to $17. And then we have this little sample guy here, this little tiny sample here, and then a sample Wander highlighter. Yeah. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Did you think it was good? Again, I did hear that January and February were supposed to be really good months. I don't see a really good month. I see a normal month for Allure. Sometimes you normally do get these smaller sizes, but again, it's only $15. It's free shipping, and you get to try out some hopefully amazing products. And if you like it, then you can go and purchase the full size. And at least in the book, it lets you know what the full size would be. If you can afford it, then you can purchase it. So I'm just not too thrilled with this month. I'm only going to try out an eye cream. This highlighter maybe I'll use, but it doesn't really stand out too much. Let me see if I put it on. I don't have my brush, but let's see. I mean, it just doesn't give you that wow, like, oh, I see you. It's just like a, I'm kind of there. Maybe I'm hanging in there for the day. I don't know. I mean, I see a little tiny bit, but it's just nothing to write home about, really. So if you get Allure, did you get the same products? Did you get anything different? I see it looks like there was a variation on the Belief. You could have got the eye cream or an Aqua Bomb sleeping mask. Now, I really love Aqua Bombs and sleeping masks, but it looks like you would have gotten 2 different ones to try out. I don't know how much you would have got in the other one. And then you would have got a variation on the brushes, but everything else looks like everybody would have got the same exact thing. So again, if you do get Allure, comment down below. Let me know, did you get the same thing? Are we box twins? Did you get different products? Let me know what your thoughts are. Did you think this was a good month? Do you think it's a month? Or did you think it was a bad month? Like, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Like, I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.